About 2 years ago, I was actually asked to take over the purchasing side apart for our organization. And the way we were doing things, everything was done on paper. We literally print 1.2 million pieces of paper a year for our organization. That's an astounding number. And a lot of it was due to purchase orders, just all the paperwork that had to kind of go with that. And then also our organization was set up where we have several facilities, but every one of them was set up with their own account for HD Supply, Granger, McKesson, and everyone else. So we weren't utilizing any of our current buying power. A lot of our partners that we were working with didn't even know that there were different facilities within our organization. So seeing the opportunity to bring it all under one umbrella and then changing our entire organizational name to Miravida Living really gave us a chance to put it all under one umbrella, one new umbrella, and approach all of our suppliers and say, no, it's not just Bethel Home that's purchasing from you, it's this entire organization. Brought another partner to us, and it was iOS in their program ENVI, and seeing the possibilities and the capabilities of being able to funnel all of our purchasing throughout our organization through one system to make sure that everyone, that if you're buying a pen or you're buying pencils or incontinent products, that they're all the same from the same vendor, utilizing the same contracts. So that actually was able to drive our contract spend up by 51% from where it was. And we're continuing to do that. And iOS has been able to allow us insight into who's spending what, where, why, and being able to say to our other facilities, you can buy this product. In fact, now this is pretty much your only option. It was actually it's been extremely beneficial for us. So the insight into our organization and how they're all working together, but they're all their own entities, they're all their own personalities, and they all have different likes and wants. So it's been really successful for us. Of course, the contract spend, raising that is good, but it's also, like I said, funneling all of our purchasing through one system, and that actually allows us to pull some numbers from what we're buying organization-wide and being able to present that to suppliers and kind of redefine it as, like I said, it's not just Bethel Home, it's not just Eden Meadows or Gabriel's Villa, it's all of us that you're going to get. So it allows us to go to the table with a much bigger number. The more you buy, the bigger bulk, the lower your prices can go. So that's one of the huge things, and being able to tell our suppliers, this is what it all is. This is everything that we have. So you kind of get it all, or you get none. So using our own weight and leveraging our own purchasing power a little bit. When I started, we were doing everything. I'd have to walk down and basically take a pen and paper and say, this is how many of these we have, and we need to order 6 more of those, but it was for every single item. So purchasing just the once a week or twice a week, I'd have to go down and spend hours, making sure what we have. And it's not just our med supplies, it's our, office supplies, maintenance supplies, everything. So being able now, we have everything barcoded. I actually started a whole new central supply area from the ground up, even had the floor redone, new shelving and everything, organize it all, and be able to go down and scan everything. So, okay, we have this many, you have the par numbers on the barcodes themselves. So I could actually have somebody go down if I'm not there and say, just scan it and get it to the par level. So it's made things much easier for myself. We are actually able to hire a supply clerk. The individual just goes around and basically does the ordering and does the distribution of products. So it's really kind of centralized everything for us, and we actually got a really good grasp of what we're using and where things are going now as well. We had a lot of stuff that would leave our supply room, and where did it go? Who knows? Who's using it? We're actually able to take our Bethel Home, which is our largest facility, and section it off into their own financial sectors. So we can go to the nurse leaders in each area and say, this is what your costs were this month. How can we work on this, or is there ways to improve, or is it all justified? So we've never been able to do that before. So now actually having a good solid answer to be able to present to anybody and say, this is the actual cost and this is what we're spending. So it's been a good central spot for us to pull reports from and be able to see exactly what it is we're utilizing and where we can make improvements.